going into the hidden secrets of the book of Genesis that you didn't see or know beforehand. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. These two verses mean that the earth wasn't formed yet. It was just darkness and water, aka dark waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness. God needed to separate the light from the darkness to make a distinguishment of what is his and what isn't his, what is good and what isn't good, what is holy and what isn't holy, which means to be separate unto God. Verse 5, God called the light day and the darkness night, and evening passed and morning came, marking the first day. This verse shows us that a new day begins at evening, beginning in the dark. Then God said, "Let there be a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." Why would God want to separate the waters from the waters anyway? Everything points towards the gospel. God separated what is his from what isn't his. When God separated the waters in the heavens, making it holy, and the waters of the earth, making it unholy or regular. Verse 7, and that is what happened. God made this space to separate the waters of the earth from the waters of the heavens. So God foreshadows the gospel from turning the night into day. Now God is also foreshadowing the gospel with the waters, showing there's a separation between what is his and what isn't of him. So verse 8, God called the space sky, and that is his portion, and evening passed and morning came, marking the second day. So contrary to popular belief, the next day does not start at midnight, but it starts at sunset. Verse 9, then God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, so the dry ground may appear," and that is what happened. God called the dry ground land, and the waters seas, and God saw that it was good. Now we can consider the dry land as the middle ground, or the Gentiles, or the Gentile nations. And the waters, the seas, is basically the boundary, or what I like to consider that which is furthest from God. Because there are a lot of abominations in the sea, according to the Levitical law. And before modern day technology, we never really went into the sea, unless we were sailing over it. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant, and trees that grow seed-bearing fruit. These seeds will then